welcome to the May 2024 DSCR loan update. I'm Daniel Sperling Horowitz with OfferMarket, and today's DSCR loan interest rate is 7.6%. To get to 7.6%, you take the 5-year US Treasury, which is 4.35%, and then you add a credit spread. Currently, we're seeing 3.25% as the average credit spread across the loans that we're originating. So let's talk about the two components of the DSCR loan interest rate. This is obviously a very dynamic market. These rates change from day to day, within each day as well. So the 5-year US Treasury, that is the risk-free rate, and that is down 0.1% today on a favorable CPI report, Consumer Price Index, which came in slightly below estimate or right around estimate. So we're seeing inflation is, kind of coming down a little bit, and the fears that inflation is accelerating are sort of abating at this point. Who knows what we'll see next month, but that's where we are right now. So the 5-year US Treasury is down 0.37% since April 30th. So that's a pretty good move downward, which is helping DSCR loan interest rates come down a little bit. The next thing that we should talk about here is credit spreads. Credit spreads have narrowed. And what does that mean? So the risk premium that fixed income investors are demanding has come down. So essentially, fixed income investors are competing and have a strong appetite for DSCR loans and other bonds and other fixed income securities. So this is something that we think you should be monitoring, because ultimately a switch to a more risk-off approach from fixed income investors would result in credit spreads widening. And so all else equal, if fixed income investors start to get some cold feet and concerns about the economy or where rates are heading, they may start to demand a higher risk premium, a higher credit spread. So we think right now is actually a very opportune time if you have a time-sensitive DSCR loan refi or a purchase transaction where you're looking into going straight into a DSCR loan. Next thing that I'd like to talk about in this update is our fix and rent loan program, which is becoming our second most popular program on our platform. Ultimately, it's a bundle of fix and flip loan to purchase and renovate the property, and then a DSCR loan refi on the back end with remarkable savings on lender fees. And you can go into that DSCR refi with no or low seasoning, so 90-day seasoning or less. So a lot of rental property investors are utilizing this new program, which we're pretty excited about. The sister program to our fix and rent loan is build to rent loans. This is a brand new program on our platform. It is a bundle of a ground up construction loan plus a DSCR refi on the back end. So if you have ground up experience or you're partnering with a developer that has ground up construction experience and you want to purchase a lot of land, or if you've already purchased a lot of land, you want to refinance a lot of land and have a construction loan for the construction of the property, we can lend up to 85% of your total cost for you to build that house, brand new construction. And then when the property is built, you rent it out and you refinance it into our DSCR loan program, again, for a remarkable amount of savings on our fees. Now, the final topic that I'd like to cover today is off-market deal flow. We are seeing not the most attractive deals on the MLS. And so a lot of the deals that we are financing, whether it's a fix and rent loan or a DSCR loan, these are coming from wholesalers, these are coming from tired landlords and distressed sellers. So if you don't have access to off-market deal flow, if you're strictly looking at on-market MLS, you are probably missing out on important value, which may be the difference between the numbers working on a good deal and the numbers not making any sense. So we recommend subscribing to our investment property marketplace. Every day, wholesalers, tired landlords, and distressed sellers are posting off-market deals that you can have access to straight to your inbox as well if you subscribe. It's a free service. So again, head on over to Offer Market to our marketplace and access your off-market deal flow. Now, as always, you can get instant quotes for DSCR loans, fix and rent loans, and build to rent loans directly at Offer Market. This is 1 minute or less, and you have a preliminary term sheet and a pre-approval letter, offermarket.us. And finally, thank you very much for watching this video. Please, we invite you to post your thoughts, any questions or feedback that you have in the comments section, and be sure to subscribe to Offer Market. We look forward to helping you build wealth through real estate and hope you have a great rest of your month. Thanks so much.